Justice Rosado, you are so very, very deserving of this 2024 Kate Stoneman Award, and we ask you to come up to accept it.
I want to congratulate my fellow honorees. I'm so honored to share this stage with both of you. Powerhouse Verna Williams, CEO of Equal Justice Works. She is the epitome of this year's Women's History Month theme, with her demonstrated history of advocating for diversity, equity, and inclusion. It's my honor to know you. And Dynamo Professor Laurie Shanks, my professor. Receiving this with you was just a cherry on Sunday. I recall as a member of the clinic, it didn't matter what clinic you were in, because once you got into the clinic, all the clinics was your family. And Laurie says to me one day, "Come on, kiddo, let's go for a ride." So we get in the car and we're going to a welder's. Why, Professor Shanks? Well, I have a case that involves welding, and I need to understand it from beginning to end. How else can I effectively represent my client if I don't see the welding myself? You have to see it to know it. Professor Shanks, please know that stayed with me as a litigator, as a law clerk, as a judge. I'm looking things up to try to understand it so I can see it and provide better justice. You are amazing. I need to acknowledge the three women who put forth my name for this great honor. The three women represent three different parts of my life. Professor Mary Lynch. Without you, I would have dropped out of law school. Straight up, that's the straight truth. That clinic showed me what I was capable of doing, and you had me at hello. I love you, I love Rudy, I love Patrick, I love them all, okay? The second person who put forth my name is Sally Mansonette Daniels, who I was a court attorney for and who now is my colleague on the Appellate Division First Department. The first Latina to be appointed to that Appellate Division. She's not here because she's in Mexico with her grandbabies, and she's actually telling me that she's gonna log on. I love you, Sally. The third woman that nominated me, I met as a judge, Alexa Sears. She was an intern in college thinking about law school, shy and quiet, and now she's a kick-ass attorney, taking no prisoners. And yes, I curse because she deserves that. She drove up here for me today. You inspire me for the future. Now, I don't need to tell you about Kate Stoneman because we all know her and love her. I get excited about every Kate Stoneman day, whether I'm here or not. What I want to discuss about her is a trait that she possessed that so many women in my life have possessed. My mother, my four sisters, all the women who have mentored me, guided me, and loved me, and that's grit. Grit. G-R-I-T, the courage and the resolve, the strength of character. You've heard her story. She tried to get admitted. They said, "No, we're not admitting you because you are not a boy. You are a girl, so no." So what did she do? She said, "I'm not having that. I'm gonna call my girls, the same girls that helped me with the voting, and we're gonna fix this." And in one day, they got the support to change it. And 3 days later, she was admitted. Grit.